guys, today is March 24th. The time is 1:30 in New York, and let's just see what we can do today. The goal is to make $500, guys, and if I can make $500 today, I'm going to move out very quickly today. So let's check. The options are a little bit getting expired very quickly today. So looks like this already a bullish flag, already break upside. So yes, be very cautious today, because it's not that easy. Day before yesterday, I was not able to make money. It was a low volume, $180. Yesterday I lost money, that's what I can say, on the commission side of it. So yesterday was just $55, but today let's see if we can make some money for today. Right now the goal is to make $500, so let's just buy, holding 55, 65. If I can make very quickly, because this can be turned into a bullish flag. The goal is to sell right over here. Trading is risky. Any type of trading is risky. Forex, options, futures, crypto, a bond, everything is risky. Please consult your financial advisor before you take a trade. So yes, whatever I say in this video is for the education purpose only. You don't need to take my advice, or you don't need to take any type of a trade. Whatever I say, I want to sell it. I'm up $520, guys. Up $520. So there you go. Less than 2-3 minutes of my time, I was able to make $520. So today I want to keep it like this. Also, do you know why? Because one reason. Yesterday I was not able to make money. Day before yesterday also I was not able to make money. And how many shares did I trade? 130. Okay, this thing I just want to let you guys know. What is 130? I bought shares and I sold shares. This is like the total shares I have traded. So a lot of people, they don't understand. This is a professional broker, okay? These things, whatever I see on my screen, you see these options are moving. I'm betting you, go check your broker is not moving like this. They are not moving like this. They are not liquidated like this, because your basically broker, your platform is not professional platform. This is a professional broker. This is a professional platform. I'm paying $150 for this. These things come with a price, guys. They are not coming with the, just like you bought a Robinhood and it will go and come up. This will not go and show up in the Charles Schwab also. I have made another video. Go check my old videos if you want to see. Okay, so these things are professional. You see this moving because they are professional. This is how liquid the options are. So if you open a broker also, you will not going to see your options are moving like this. And you see this one is moving more faster, probably. So that's the reason, guys. Okay, this is a professional broker, and okay, so that's the reason these things are moving way too fast. On your end, I'm pretty much sure, open up your broker, it will not going to move. These options, they don't move. You're going to see one price. You're going to see one price. It's not like moving up and down. So this is a professional broker. I'm being charged $150 extra for this. Okay, when a lot of people, when they file when they want to open up the stock account, their account over there, there's a check mark, tick mark basically. Are you a professional trader? Most people, they're going to say no, and that's why you don't get that data basically. So remember one more thing. This is very important for you to know. When you say you're not a professional broker, so that means you will not able to see this. It's not moving. You will able to see the options, but it's not moving. It will be like fixed price. So you are putting your money in risk. That's what I always say. Because guess what? You're putting your money in risk with the other people, whoever like professional like me. We watch time, we watch volume, we watch how liquid these options are. You know, so all these things we watch, and you are not even watching those things. So you are on a blind side. You know, you're on a blind side. A lot of people, they say like, oh, you don't have a moving average. It's you playing on a blind side. No, I'm already seeing this. This is my mirror. Okay, what is happening right now in front of me? This is my mirror in front of me and the back of me also. And this is how my options are moving. And this is what the options are playing around. in what exchanges, what prices. So there you go. So now you understand why you are losing, because you don't have this kind of data. You understand? You're the one who's on the blind side. You've been blindfolded, so you don't know what will going to happen next. So yes, I can tell you this part. Okay, so this is how fast you can make money. Day before yesterday and on the Fed day, if you go and check, basically on 22nd, I was not able to make money because before the Fed was talking, I decided to come and trade very light volume. I was able to make only $180 something. Go check my video over there. And yesterday I traded very hard. I was losing $1,600, and I was able to regain. But what I'm trying to say, I lost on the share size, and I lost the money over there. Yes, I made only $55 because I want to prove myself that I can beat that market. So what I'm trying to say, like even I was trying to prove myself, I lost on the share size. So today I have traded 130 options. Okay, let's just check 130 options. 130 divided by 230, sorry, yeah, 130 divided by 2, so it's like 65 option. I bought 65 option, I sold 65 option. That's the reason this is the total. A lot of people, they don't understand. One of the guy, he called me yesterday and he said, hey listen, he asked me the same question. You trade so many, but you're supposed to lose more money, or you're supposed to make money. You traded some 450 shares. Yes, those are the total shares, guys. This is the total share. This is the total bought and sold. You understand? So when you buy also, the broker charge you money. When you sell also, broker charge you money. This is the part a lot of people, they don't understand. So that tells me you have no idea about trading. Okay, that tells me you are like totally blindfolded. Again, you have nothing, you don't know nothing about trading. Okay, so this is another guy. Okay, this is so yes, I'm just addressing this part for you to understand. I'm not criticizing you that you don't know nothing, but what I'm trying to say, before you put your money at this moment in time, please paper trade. That's what I'm warning for you. Paper trade. This is the other day I run on the Fed day, because guess what? I don't want to donate the money. Yesterday that was like a kind of donation. So today I'm just hitting my base hit, my $500. So I don't want to even trade anymore, because guess what? I want to build up my confidence again about trading. You understand? So so slowly you have to build up yourself, basically. So if I lose today, or I'm going to lose a little bit also, I'm going to lose my confidence. So yesterday I had a hard time. You guys saw yesterday's video. Watch yesterday's video. I had a hard time coming back up again. So yes, today I'm making $120, $520, which is great. I don't want to trade anymore. But yes, I want to give you, this is like a kind of lesson for you. You don't have a professional broker, a professional trading platform, you will going to lose money. So okay, I want to show up something to you guys. Let me connect to one of my screens, if I can. Let's check. And I want to bring something. I want to give you some advice. Okay, this is something the other day I said. What is that? Right now, this SPY running around $394, and where's $394? Right over here, $394, guys. So this is $394. These are calls. These are puts. It says puts, and these are calls. So this is the right now the price over here. Whatever up price, that means 90, this and above, 93, 92 up. If the stock goes downside, these are the less prices. You see this? These are less prices. The upside are more expensive. You see this? If you pick one of these options, they are a little bit expensive. Pick one of this option, they are a little bit of less expensive, 19 cents, 20 cents basically. Okay, so these are calls and these are puts. The same thing goes on the opposite direction. What is option? Option is basically insurance, or you can call a coupon, which will going to expire. The coupon get expired in like 2 months, 3 months. This is how you can see. These are the expiration dates of those options. You can buy 6 months option. You can buy 1 year option, 1 year option also. You see this, 2 years options, SPY. The okay. So how the rich people use options? Just want to give you some guidance over here. Okay, how the rich people are using options. Basically, they are using options based on price and value. Okay, rich people are holding lots of shares in their portfolio. Like S&P, they will go and buy millions. Like for example, somebody bought 10 millions of S&P right over here, and right now it's going dropping in value. So what they are doing when they are buying a big car, they buy insurance, right? When you buy a car, you buy insurance, right? So they buy an insurance of like $10 million of stocks. They're going to buy at least 1 year of expiration, which will be somewhere over. Just an example, okay? Let's just see September option. Okay, so they will be buying option which is a put option, okay? Probably at the money, a little bit off the money, okay? So put option, which they bought it for like right now it was running somewhere over here, so it dropped. So they would have bought this one. So at least million, at least $500,000 of put options, okay? Because if something happened to the stock, if the stock drops, that $500 will going to cover up their puts. That means it will going to make go up in value basically. You see this side, when it drops, it goes up, the numbers get bigger and bigger. So when the stop put goes down, this 19 will be 20, 23, 24, 25. That's how it is. Okay, so this will going to go up in value, but the stock will going to drop in value. So this is how they balance their portfolio, guys. Okay, when the stock goes down, they use the put option. When the stock goes up, they use the call option. So you can make money on the call, you can make money on the puts as well. If it drops, put makes money. If it goes up, calls make money. So that's how they're using it. It's like an insurance. That's what I always say. Or a coupon. You have a Best Buy coupon. It has an expiration, and you have to buy it before that expiration date. Something like that. It's like the same thing. It within that certain time, this will going to lose value. Even like when you buy the car insurance, if you driving it, nothing happens to your car, if you don't get into a wreck or an accident, you will not going to get that money back. So that's how it is. Okay, this, and they are very liquid, but the 1 year they are not liquid, they are not even moving. You see this, guys? 1 year and all, they are not even moving, very slowly. So 1 year and all, they have the volume, the delta, the gamma. You need to see those things basically. Okay, those are the things come into play for 1 year options. Again, I said that before in my all the other videos. You don't need to know this. Yeah, if you are a big investor, you need to know. Now you need to know this, the gamma, delta, vega, all those Greek words you need to know. You understand? When you buying a long-term options in SPY or on Apple or something like that, you need to know that, because you need to know every day how much money you're going to lose and how volatile the option is. That's how the volume will go, the option will go to move. So you need to see how big is their data. The biggest the delta is like about 700. That means you're going to lose every day $70. Like 700 and all, that means $70, 300 and all, $30 every day. That's how it is. Okay, so you need to understand that part. The most important is the delta. Okay, the delta is the one who's killing every day, no doubt. So these options, now let's just go back. This option have a delta too. You see this, guys? This is under red. Calls are under red too. But the stock market, what the stock market has opened, what time? Let's just check. around 9:30. Okay, it had dropped. So what I mean, the calls, the put should be making money, but it's right now almost getting wherever it has started, right? The put should be making money, but guess what? The puts are losing value, and the calls are, since it dropped now, it's like coming up. The calls should be making money, right? But no, you see, both the side is red, so that means it's losing value every single minute. The more you holding it, the more you're losing it. I trade only this one at the money. Okay, let me explain you. I'm trading the day which is getting expired. Next week I'm going to trade this one. Today is Friday. Again, I don't want to trade anymore. I have made my data the this already, the mark 500 plus. So these options are very liquid. They're like melting like a ice right now. So these are also losing, they are also losing. So the time is killing them basically. The time is killing them. The more time you're holding it, even if the stock is going up and the call option you bought it, it will going to lose value. It will going to lose value very quickly. You go and check my other videos, guys. So this around right now, this is running 93. Okay, so this is at the money, in the money, call option in the money, which is more expensive, is called in the money, and out of the money. Out of the money is the one more less expensive. In the money, they are already expensive because they have more value. Okay, so someone did a graduation. This is someone who is graduate. This is someone who is not graduate. This is someone who's thinking is already getting graduate basically. Okay, so at the money, because the stock is running at $93, sorry, not 93, $393. Out of the money, and in the, it's the same thing on the opposite side also. Okay, at the money, this is at the money, out of the money, and in the money. Okay, and what is a leverage? Leverage is something where the broker, you deposit $2,000, $2,500 probably today is for the any broker, for you to get a leverage. Leverage is something when you deposit $2,500, you will able to see your money has been double. You can buy $5,000. You will see $5,000 automatically. They gave you credit. That's what it is. Leverage is something credit. Okay, credit is something when you just have a credit card in your wallet. I'm pretty much sure it's like it's not your money, it's their money. Okay, it's their money, but you are using it. So when you deposit $2,500 in US broker, you will see $5,000. You can buy $5,000 of shares. Remember what I'm saying, that's two different things. They're not able to buy you $5,000 of options. Remember that part. You can buy $2,500 of shares, but you're not able to buy $5,000 of option. You might able to see $5,000 in your account total because you have deposited $2,500. That's called leverage. Again, in US, it's 1 to 5x basically. Okay, some brokers will going to give you 5 times the leverage, and so in Europe it's totally different. In Europe is 1 to 500. 1 to 500 in Europe. So every other brokers outside United States are different. They are not regulated properly. They are regulated, but they don't have to follow the US laws basically. So that's how it is. Okay, that is leverage. And what is a spread? Spread is something between these two price, bid and ask price. You see this 270 and 273, 275. You see what it's like. This is the spread. In between there's a price which you are losing. That's called spread. Okay, that is called spread. In between, the spread is high, I don't like to trade. Spread is low, I like to trade. So most of the time the spread is low for at the money. You see 80, 81. There's nothing, no difference. So I like to trade this one because the spread is less. When the spread is high, you lose money because the broker is the one who's making money. in that between. So if you go and check your Robinhood broker when you're trying to buy S&P, it probably going to tell you buy at this price. And for example, okay, the SPY is running 393. You're going to tell you this is the bid price and the ask price. Okay, you want to buy it at 395. So there's a you are losing this much, and when you're selling it, he's trying to tell you 393, sell it for 393. So when you're buying it the ask price, you're selling it at the bid price. That's how it is, guys. You understand? This is how it is. This is the basic thing you need to know. Bid and ask, and the spread. What is the difference? How big is the spread? Is it a cent? How many cents? 5 cents and all? There's a big difference. That means you will going to lose. You will going to lose. Trust me. 1 cent, very good. 2 cents, very good. 5 cents, 7 cents, you will going to lose. Yeah, the broker is free, Robinhood and all, they don't charge you, but guess what? They make money between that spread, that 5 to 8 cents. That's how they make money. They raise their bar up for you, and nothing is free. That's how they are making money, guys. Okay, so this, whatever I say, is like a very good for you to know if you're thinking about trading. So don't make those mistakes whatever I made back in time in 2007 and 2006. I made those mistakes because I didn't know how to trade. I have changed so many brokers. Basically, I had first broker Zyco in 2006. Google, I don't know whether they are still, you can see their site back in time. Okay, Zyco was the one. Then Zyco was bought by Trade King. So Trade King later on became Option Express. Option Express later on became Charles Schwab. So I have seen so many trade companies, and I have one more broker also back in time. Later on, it was something, I think. I don't remember what was the other one, and they've been bought by LI Bank. So, and when LI Bank took over back in time, I remember, that was a Trade King who took over LI Bank, and LI Bank basically, and Option Express is the one who took over by Charles Schwab. Okay, Trade King. So the Zyco, Trade King, and Trade King was bought by LI Bank. So LI Bank is still open right now. So back in time, okay, I'm just want to give you that. This is the example I'm telling you. A lot of brokers, they will not going to execute your orders. Like for example, I just traded over here 130, right? These are options. Back in time in 2007, 2008, I still trade 500 options. No joke. Getting in 500, getting out 500. Okay, so 1,000 option. And what I found out about this before, when these people bought in, they used to hold my options. They used to send 25, 25, 25, and they used to say like, you're the one who's moving the market. I don't care. The big boys are also moving the market, right? They're you protecting the big banks and the big boys, and you trying to throw me off the bus, basically. You understand? So they were selling my orders slowly to the market. 25, 25, 25, 25. I'm like, what? I want everything to be sold at one price. You understand, guys? You saw how I trade. Like, I shift and Z, letter C buys me 5, letter X buys me 2 options, letter M sells everything in whatever is in my portfolio, letter L will go and buy sell half of it. So that's how I do my options. Okay, so this broker was selling 25 and I'm selling 500. They were selling 25, 25, 25, 25. It will going to take forever to fill up my order, and the S&P is already up, and like, God, Jesus Christ, what's the point? I'm a day trader. If I don't get filled at that moment in time, that means I'm losing money. You understand? So that's the reason you need to have a good broker. I'm using Lightspeed Okay, I'm not promoting Lightspeed, just to let you guys know. I'm not giving you some type of a commission, or that they're going to charge you whatever they're charging you. I'm not giving you some type of code saying like, oh, use this code to get this and that, no, you can do it or you don't get it, that's fine. You can get another broker, whatever you want, whatever your choice is, but I'm just letting you know, I'm using Lightspeed right now. If the Lightspeed give me a code to give you guys, I'll be very very happy to do that. Like so far, it's been more than a month I've been using Lightspeed, and I'm making the videos and putting on the YouTube and on the Facebook and everywhere. So because Lightspeed, I feel like it was a professional trading platform, and this is how we used to have it in the bank and all. The bank guys are the one who's using this kind of data basically, and if you're not using it, that means you have been blindfolded. So you need this kind of data, guys. So, and yes, that's what it is. Broker is very very important for you. This is the beginning lesson for you, and you should trade a paper trade. Guys, paper trade is very very important for you. Paper trade is very very important for you, because without a paper trade you will going to lose. It's like going with, you bought a big car, and you don't know how to drive, and you decide to drive, you're going to crash. That's what's going to happen. And the Lightspeed and other brokers, this is a professional broker. This is like a Lamborghini or a Bugatti Chiron, and Robinhood is like a Toyota. Okay, it's like a Toyota, no joke. I'm sorry to say that. Yes, it's a Toyota, and this is a Bugatti Chiron. Okay, so this is very very faster, and if you have a faster execution and everything, the best price to fill, that means I will going to bypass you very very fast. So that's what happens. Okay, that's what happens every single time. That Toyota will not able to keep up with Bugatti Chevron. Okay. Yes. So remember, this is very very risky. But if you don't know how to take the risk, please consult to your financial advisor or a broker. Whatever I'm doing is a professional trading over here. This is high frequency trading. That's what it is. You can sell millions of shares. You can sell millions of shares on this platform. Buy and sell. If I don't have a big portfolio, otherwise I would have like bought a lot of shares at this point. At least those banks, you see. Okay, just want to give you another this. You see this red? Somebody sold at least 270 million right over here. Okay, 270 million right over here, and somebody bought about like 220. No, sorry. Okay, sorry guys. 270,000. 270,000, not 270 million. Sorry, 270,000, because that's how this is the volume in K. Okay, so if you go and check now the volume in the 5-minute chart and 15 minutes chart, this is the millions now. Okay, this is in millions, and in the 1-minute chart is in K. So 250,000, 275,000, somebody sold it. In 15 minutes chart, you will see the million of volume. Okay, so exactly, somebody bought 250, 225, 210 something over here, K over here. Okay, those are the buyers. When you see green, that means the buying. See red, that means it's selling. So someone bought it 200, and so this guy has been outrageous already. They are like bypassing this guy, you understand? So it's moving up. So some of the big volume over here, you need to see this. What is it? Most of them is green. You understand? So yes, it's green. And this is my second mirror basically. Okay, this is my second mirror. Basically, you can see this. Are they selling or they buying? You see that back in time, like not back in time, like before, it was just going like red. So this, you see this green, guys, and what's happening over here? Moving up. You see this? Moving up. So that's how it is. The buyers are the one who's taking control. The sellers are one who's taking control. You see this is like 3,500 orders somebody sold. So the red one is like sold, the green one is a buy. So 1,400. You see, people are trading. Those are the big orders from the banks or from the hedge fund guys or the high frequency trading guys are the one. You understand? This is how it is. This is a lesson for you for a beginning. This is the, you should know this. You see this 2,500. Your eye should able to. You need to have a very good eyesight. I'm watching this. I'm watching how quickly the options are changing. And I'm watching which these are the price also. This one and this one is like the same. This is very important. And I'm watching a 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute candlestick, how they are forming. I'm watching my seconds before I get in. I'm watching 5 minutes chart, and you can have a 15 minutes chart if you want. Okay, so yes, it gives you like a bigger picture. Okay, if you have a 15 minutes chart, it gives you like a little bit bigger picture. This is 90 days chart, it gives you more bigger picture. So yes, this is how trading is been done, very quickly, very fast. And this is a very professional broker. You need to have a professional things. I know you're paying $150, but that $150 will gonna save you a lot of money. Trust me, because I've been there, seen, I have a lot of experience in trading, which most people they do, but I have seen other things as well. I've seen so many crashes as well. So yes, you see this, guys? Green. What's happening over here? Moving up. Green, moving up. You see? Green, moving up. You understand? This is the mirror, exactly. This is the mirror. Some people are selling it. So you need to understand, again, support and demand. Support and demand. Support, that means it will go to hold. That's what happened. Dropped, hold, buyer step in, taking off. Okay, there will be supply, a lot of supply right over here. That means they will go and sell in this area. You have to be very cautious. This is MACD and this is stochastic. I like these two things. Basically, I trade based on these things. I don't put any moving averages. I don't like moving averages. I do use moving averages just sometime, but I don't like them. I like to keep my chart clean. That's how it is. Okay, VWAP is a very good average. That's what they say. People are buying it, people are selling it. Not really. People are buying and people are selling. Here you come to know. Those moving averages, standing, moving, this crossover and all those things, I don't believe you. You should know the supply and demand. You need to know where are the supplies and where is the demand. And if you can find out there's a buyer or there are sellers. So how you find out whether the buyers and sellers? You see the mirror, you see the big orders coming in, you see this 1,000. So you need to understand, there's a seller over here, hidden seller. You need to understand that part. If this is not going above and it's like every time dropping, that means there's a selling going on right over there. So you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful. There can be a lot of hidden sellers. Go and check my videos. You'll see I'm spotting those sellers. Basically, I'm spotting them. I'm saying like, hey, listen, there's a hidden seller right over here, there's a hidden seller right over there. Okay, so check my other videos, please. So you need to understand very carefully. These things are very important for you to know. You can write them out and you can watch how I trade, how I do this, because a lot of people, they might tell you, oh, I bought it right over here, $4,000 option, sell over here, I made $25,000 profit. Bullshit. Totally bullshit. Excuse my language, but that is totally bullshit. Do you know why? He's not doing it live. I'm recording this, I'm putting it. You saw I bought this and I sold it, so you guys saw what I did. Okay, so that's the reason I'm calling it a bullshit. They're not telling you the exact thing, guys. I'm like showing you. They are not telling you. Okay, there are a lot of gurus saying like, I made $2 million. Show me how you did that. $2 million. Yeah, you're not ready to show me until unless I pay you, right? And when I pay you, I come to know that's all theory. It's not in real actions. That's bullshit. Okay, there are people who are doing this, who are telling you I made X amount of money, I made X amount of this. Bullshit. Do it, record it. Let's see how much you can make. Okay, end of the day, everybody shows you the end of the result, but how hard it is, you have no idea. You want to see how hard it was? Go check yesterday's video. Okay, March 23rd video. You come to know how hard it was. It was very, very tough for me yesterday to beat the market. Okay, so there are a lot of bullshit going on, no doubt. So be careful with that bullshit. Don't fall for it. Okay, you'll see there are like a lot of people on the market say 5 website you should do. Again, that is not the bullshit. Get into AI, tell AI to type all that bullshit, guys. No, this is only one broker. This is how much money you can make. I made less than 5 minutes trading, I made this money. This video is made, I made this video especially for education purpose only. Again, please subscribe, like my video, share with your friends. Whoever wants to get into trading, they should know there are a lot of gurus on the market today wants to tell you they made $2 million, $5 million, $10 million, but they are not sharing you with these things. You understand? They're not showing you, they're not doing it. They're not doing it live, guys. I did this live right now and record it and put it on the YouTube for you guys. Upload it on the YouTube. That's what, for you to understand how the trading has been done. You understand? So a lot of those guys, there are a lot of ads on the, so I made $2 million, subscribe my channel please, all that bullshit. You understand? They're not doing it. They're just telling you. They're blindfolding you. They're not telling you where they bought it. You saw, where did I buy? Go back and check, where did I buy, where did I sell? So no one is showing you that part where they're selling, where they're buying. They're not showing you. They're just telling you, I bought right over here, sold right over here, made me $4,500. The other day I saw an ad. God, Jesus Christ, why are you not showing it properly how you made that, right? But he's just telling you, you just believing, making you believe that he bought it right over here, sold it over here. There's another video also in my I was just checking these people, I made $10 million trading, bought over here, sold it over here. Yes, good for you. I don't believe you at all, because that's not possible. It is possible, but what I'm trying to say, you're not ready to share the details. That means I don't believe you. I share you the details. You saw the numbers going up and down. That's how it is. Go check all my videos, you'll come to know. Okay, so yes, so there are a lot of people on the market like crap telling you bullshit. So please guys, I'm sorry to use the bullshit word in my video, but it pisses me off when people are like basically fooling people. That pisses me off, seriously. Really, it's not good. It's not good. Yes, so please share my video, like my video, and anybody wants to learn more about it, please email me at swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. I can teach you better trading. That's what I can tell you. I promise you this. If you want to learn, you're staying with me. What I mean by staying with me, you coming in Houston, you will be trained by me personally. Okay, personally trained by me for 1 week. After a week, we will be doing live trading. You're not going to do the live trading. You will be doing the demo trading. Okay, I'm going to teach you everything, basically everything, A to Z, for 1 week. Everything you need to know about delta, all that thing, all those things, no doubt. Okay, and then I will be trading with you together. We're going to trade together, hand in hand. Basically, you will be using your laptop, I'll be using my laptop, and we're going to trade together. And I'm going to correct you if you did wrong, basically exactly like how you drive first time driving a car. You understand? First time driving a car, I'm gonna hold the steering wheel for you. I'm gonna hold a lot of things for you. I'm gonna tell you how to see, what to spot, and how to get in, where to sell. Basically, that's what it is. 1 week, I'm going to show you how much money you can make in a week. How much money you can make in a week. If you did not make money in a week, that means I'm not going to put any more videos. That means I cannot prove myself. But my goal is here to prove that you can make money. That's my goal. If you come to me, I'm pretty much sure I will going to show you that you can make money. I'll make sure that you don't lose money, but you have to follow my guidance. I have some rules in trading. You have to follow those things. Like for example, today, discipline is one of my trading rule. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I was not able to make money. Today, I'm just hitting my $500. This is called discipline. I'm not trading anymore. This is how you recover your money. Not trading anymore. Hitting your baseline and not just going and doing whatever you do the rest of the day, basically. Okay? This is how you recover your money. But what I'm trying to say, if you trade with me, you will be making money. Year from now, you should able to make at least $100,000 or more than $100,000 based on your share size. Okay, that's what it is. Also based on your shares, how many option did you trade? That's what that doesn't matter as well. So remember, please, if you're coming with me, this is what you will going to get. I will be trading with you together, hand in hand, telling you, showing you how to do it, how not to do it, when to buy it, when to sell, and everything. Okay, please, trading is risky. Again, please consult your financial advisor before you trade or any type of a trade. This video is made for education purpose only. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a broker. If you're coming with me, you're just doing the paper trading first for probably for 6 months. That's what it is. Okay, before you trade with your real money. Alright guys, I'm going to close this video at this moment in time. I don't want to drag it anymore. So please like, share, and people who are already liking my video, sharing my video on the YouTube and on the Facebook and all, really, I'm really appreciate for your love and support. Really, I cannot even tell you how grateful I am. Please, thank you again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. That's what I can say. Really, I really appreciate your help. Thank you very much again, guys, for all your love and support. Always peace and blessing for you guys. Thank you. All right, peace.